Hello and welcome to another update video about Sandbox. Time for an update. Yeah, hit our wave 2 reversal area here on the 10th of March. I mean, it didn't hit it, it hit it before, but it came down right to the 78.6 retracement in this ABC correction of a wave 2 after it rallied in 5 waves in a wave 1. That's the area where we expected it to turn around. Well, it did turn around, but it never left the area. Shows a bit of weakness, so it was a good decision to put that one in yellow. We had a few charts that were, or quite a few of these boxes were green, sort of, let's say, higher probability, lower risk. Here the yellow one for me, because I don't like this move to the upside, doesn't look great. So that's why I put it in yellow. Also because the last wave up here isn't really great. I mean, it's a 3-wave move. I can find a way to put the 4 here. Might actually be a better way, but it still isn't entirely reliable. That's why we put it in yellow. That means there's a bit of a risk of, obviously there's always a bit of a risk, but here there's a higher risk of failing. But I guess if the altcoins rally, they will probably all rally together, or at least most of them. Now, I then a few days ago updated here the target for the decline, and we hit that box as well. If you're wondering where I updated that, I did update that on the TradingView charts that you can get as a channel member. You can get live access, plus you get a weekly opportunities video with updated charts and setups and things like that. So a few days ago when we hit the top here, I did update that, and we reached also that target here, that box here. So that's the support area for the smaller wave 2. Basically, if we assume that we finished the larger 1-2 setup, which ideally we have, because making another low below the 10th of March low will not really look good. And will also threaten the positive or bullish outcome of this 1-2 setup. So at the moment, because we did rally in 5 waves, it's quite impulsive actually what we did here on the way up, because we did rally off the 50-cent lows to around about 67 cents. We count that as a wave 1. We currently can assume carefully that we bottomed here. We're now pulling back as anticipated into the support area between the 50% and the 78.6 retrace. And in here we should somewhere reverse. Now, at the moment, I have no evidence that we've bottomed yet. Let me, first of all, reduce the background color here a little bit so we see it a little better. Yeah, so price action suggests currently a bear flag. Yeah, I mean, it looks as if we need one more low. Not absolutely needed because we have 3 waves down. Yeah, you could say we have an ABC structure down, but ideally I like to see one more low. Whenever you have that price action, you don't really react in a very bullish way to a low in a support area or in a trend reversal area, then it's normally you'd like to see another low. Again, looks a bit like a bear flag, so that sort of correctively looking upward sloping channel after such an impulsive decline, to me, suggests something else is coming. Now, there are a few options how to count the micro level. It could just be a simple ABC correction, absolutely possible. It could be a more complex WXY. So these are all options, I could even say, right, the C wave is obviously still ongoing because we might have a small 1-2 setup here, the 3, the 4, the 5. There's just different options. It depends a little bit on how high we go here. Because we haven't really moved up, very strongly off the 57-cent low, really only a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised if this is still a C wave. So I won't put on a WXY. That would only become relevant if we do something like this. So ABC, yes, could be the wave W, but really only if this makes something like this a bit more of an extended move up, could then be an X wave, and then we could come down in 3 waves in a Y wave and finish off that wave 2 a little bit lower. But yeah, that's sort of at the moment the situation. We are still in a support area, same situation in which we were already here. Basically, we're now in the 2 overlapping support areas, so ideally this is going to turn around here. Note that it's not the most reliable chart, that's why these are in yellow. And if we rally in this 3rd wave, it should take us to, and I can only base it on the last low we made. We might still drop a little lower, but that should reach 83 cents in this third wave. If it works out. And if we look at the larger 1-2 setup, which started in January or end of December, we're looking actually just roughly also at the 1.618 extension, 142. But because it's the next higher degree, it will be a bit more substantial. Okay, that's my update about Sand. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.